Minister in charge of animal husbandry and veterinary A.L Hek asserted that his top priority is to make Meghalaya self-sufficient in meat production. Speaking to media persons, Hek said that the majority of the population in Meghalaya consume meat, but everyone knows there is huge gap between supply and demand. Hence, there is a need to come out with ways and means to make the state self-sufficient in meat production. Hek said that since he is new in the department, he is yet to review the implementation of the piggery mission.
The demand and supply has huge gap out there.
Yeah. So how do you plan to address that problem?
So that is exactly you are coming with a very nice question is we want to be a self-sufficient states. So I don't know how much we can reach out, but my aim, my objective is to be self-sufficient states.
The